A spaceman came traveling on his ship from afar. It was light years of time since his mission did start, and over her village he halted his craft, and it hung in the sky like a star, just like a star. He followed a light and came down to a shed where a man and child were lying there on a bed. The bright light of silver shone round his head, and he had the face of an angel, and they were afraid. Then the stranger spoke, he said, "Do not fear, I come from the planet a long way from here, and I bring a message for mankind to hear." And suddenly the sweetest music filled the air, and it went on. Peace and goodwill to all men, and love for the child. This lovely music went trembling through the crowd, and many were wakened on hearing that sound. And travelers on the road, the village they found, by the light of that ship in the sky, which shone all round. And just before dawn of the paling of the sky, the stranger returned and said, "Now I must fly. When 2,000 years of your time has gone by, this song will begin once again, till babies cry." And it went A spaceman came traveling on his ship from afar. It was light years of time since his mission did start, and over her village he halted his craft, and it hung in the sky like a star.